Today we're at Mayan Eden in Coxen Hole here, coming to see the minkies, and now we see that they have zip lines too. Wife looking super sexy.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go. Got that smile upon my face, cause there's excitement in the chase, this I know.
Pretty butterflies.
Yeah, I'm going for the ride and find myself, I am alive, and I soar.
Close. I just don't want to land on
Still
you.
I run towards the wind and let the challenge draw me in, cause I want more. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for
We
adventure.
found the minkies.
We are all looking for adventure. 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 Oh, wake up heart and wake up mind and see the world is yours to find, and with every passing day there's more calling you out to explore. Get up and go. There is joy found in the race, and I feel it in the place where I'm free, and I simply can't deny it that I feel adventure calling out to me.
Some of them are free,
We are all
and some of them are in the cages.
We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure.
I think it's going to be a lot heavier.
We are all
Yeah, I think it's
for adventure.
Super cute.
We are all looking for
Look at that cute face.
We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for
My favorite fruit.
It's just really good.
Yeah.
What is it called?
In Spanish is obo.
Oboe.
Ooh, it smells like
It's local fruit.
almost like mango, but don't eat all rude. I don't want it back
Eat it
now.
all.
I don't want it back.
What did you expect?
Like the nibble. That's rude. No more.
I like this bridge. It's probably, I'm not doing that. It's probably about 100 feet off the ground, but yeah, walking on it makes you bounce around quite a bit. Getting right up to the top.
This one is the first cable, so just keep loose your hand behind your head. He's gonna take care of you at the other side. Vámonos. You go first.
Come on, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Nice, nice, you're doing great. Perfect. I thought you were going to get stuck.
I thought it was too.
Yeah, I was like, oh, damn, you're going to get stuck.
No brakes. Got some sexy coming in hot.
Yes, coming in hard. That's it.
Ladies first.
Oh, yeah, I'm tired.
Even for us, this is a lot of workout.
Especially multiple times every day.
Oh yeah, this is where 7, 8.
Today?
Yeah.
How many times do you usually do this a day?
Like that every single day.
7, 8?
Yeah. Well, I mean, sometimes it's all depends about the cruise. You know, some people they come in like there are a lot of old people in the cruise and they don't want to do this type of things.
Oh.
Obviously. And then they come a lot of like young people, a lot of Latinos. You know, the young and the Latinos are the ones that like crazy and they want to do this. Yeah. So, guys, this is the last one, guys. Last opportunity to enjoy a ride.
Overall, what did you think?
I think it's an experience. It was a lot of fun.
Come on.
Wanna.
See if we can get them on camera here. Go to the left of them. You're good. Keep going. He's racing you.
Anyways,
The ziplining I thought was awesome.
yeah.
That's the first zipline that we've ever done where they let you go down tandem with 2 people, which was really cool. I thought value for your money was pretty good. It ended up being $45 per person to do both the animal experience and doing the zip lines, so that's not too bad.
Yeah, we got here I think around what time? Like
It takes
12:30ish or so, and it's now 1:48. So if you're on a cruise ship, there's plenty of time. You don't necessarily have to book the cruise if it's an option. I feel like unless you want to get maybe a taxi through your excursions up here, it might be worth it. But if you can find someone outside of the port to take you, I think you might save some money.
Yeah, just ask them to bring you to Mayan Eden.
Yeah.
I don't know how much cruise ships, if they do bring you here, charge, but $45 a person isn't too bad. I feel like the cruise ships would probably upcharge that. Other than that, yeah, it was good. I thought it was a good value.
Me too.